Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, epithelium definition, origin and function. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this lecture is for you. Like in first two videos, we study histology definition and major types of tissue like nervous tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle. Now in today's video, we will study each type of tissue in detail. First we start from epithelium. Now today we will study epithelium definition, origin and function. First, epithelium definition. What is epithelium? We define epithelium by two ways. Number one, the arrangement of cells in layer mean one layer means simple epithelium. The arrangement of cell in layer are in layers. Layers mean stratified epithelium, more than one layer, with very little or no little intercellular substance. Mean between cell there is a very little intercellular substance or no intercellular substance is called epithelium. This is the one method to define the epithelium. The other is the layered connection of cells means cell make a layer. The layered connection of cells with very little or no little intercellular substance is called epithelium. This is the second way to define the epithelium. Now come to the origin of epithelium. Basically, our body structure originates from three layers: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. These are the germinal layer through which our body structure is originate. Now, origin of epithelium. From ectoderm, the skin epithelium is originate. From endoderm, the gut epithelium is originate. From mesoderm, urinogenital epithelium is originate. This is the origin of epithelium. Now come to function of epithelium. Epithelium have 5 functions. Number 1, protection. Epithelium is responsible for protection. For example, epidermis of skin. Epidermis of skin is responsible for protection. Second function of epithelium is secretion. Means secretion of substance. For example, glands. Our body glands have mucus and serous acini, and which is lined by epithelium, which is formed by combination of epithelium which secrete saliva and other product. The third function of epithelium is sensory function. Mean they receive the sensory stimuli like neuroepithelium in taste buds. Our tongue taste buds contain neuroepithelial cells, mean neuroepithelium. They have a sensory function. The fourth function of epithelium is contraction. For example, myoepithelium. In salivary glands, at the base of the acini, there is myoepithelial cell which have actin and myosin, which when they contract, they push the secretion of acini from inside to outside of the glands. This is the myoepithelial cell. Mean this function of epithelium is contraction. The last function of epithelium is reproduction. For example, germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium is responsible for reproduction. These are the 5 functions of epithelium. Number 1, protection. Number 2, secretion. Number 3, sensory. Number 4, contraction. And number 5, reproduction. Now, today we studied epithelium definition, epithelium, origin of epithelium, number 3rd, function of epithelium. Now, today our topic is complete. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.